This MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody needs a heat sink replacement. Power down, remove the battery, and ground yourself with anti-static precautions. Unscrew the bottom case, store screws by size, and expose the internal chassis. Disconnect drive and optical cables, set connectors aside. Remove the fan and ribbon cables to access the heat sink. Unscrew the heat sink mounting screws in a star pattern, tracking each screw. Lift the old heat sink, inspect for residue, and clean thermal paste with isopropyl. Apply new high-quality thermal paste in a thin, even line across the CPU and GPU. Position the new heat sink, align mounting holes, and lower it evenly onto chips. Tighten screws in the reverse star pattern to specified torque. Reconnect fan and ribbons. Reattach internal cables and bottom case. Reinstall the battery, and secure all screws. Boot the MacBook, verify temperatures, and run a stress test to confirm proper cooling.